So what does a cleaning mastermind group look like, and how can it help you double or triple your cleaning business? I've been a part of several high-level masterminds myself. I'm currently a part of one, and I've been a part of many for the last 15 years. And I've also led several masterminds for my own clients and helped them grow their cleaning business and seen how a mastermind group can help. So picture meeting regularly, usually about twice per month, with myself and a small group of other cleaners who are under the same general goal of helping you grow your cleaning business, helping them, everybody in the group, grow and systemize their cleaning business. In the group, you're going to get support and help from me and the other members. You're going to get to collaborate and share ideas to grow your cleaning business with me and with other members. You're going to get encouragement and motivation from the group as well. And here's a big thing, you're going to get held accountable towards your goals. You're going to tell us your goals, we're going to keep track of them, and we're actually going to keep you accountable for those goals. Let's face it and be honest and upfront. Being a business owner can be lonely. Most of us don't have a spouse that supports us the way we really need to be supported. Not that they don't want to, but sometimes they just can't. Sometimes they're sick of hearing it. I know my wife has told me that. She's sick of hearing all of the questions. She's sick of hearing about the business, especially when I was first really growing my business. You can't really talk to friends because it's probably almost the same thing. They're either sick of it or they're not entrepreneurs. They don't have an entrepreneurial spirit. So they just don't understand. Even if they want to hear about it, they don't really know what kind of advice to give you and how to help you. And you really can't tell employees, because if you tell them that you're planning on doubling your money, well, they're going to have their hand out for more. Not that you shouldn't give them more, because you should, but not just because of the fact that you're making more money. There has to be valid reasons why that happens. And you surely can't tell them when you're doing bad and trying to grow, because then they're going to leave and go to a more stable company, and then you won't have employees. So it's really tough to find the right people to talk to. So a mastermind fits all of those needs, because it's other cleaning business owners and managers. We're really only going to accept general managers of a company and owners of a company who are under that same goal and guidance of growing their cleaning business and helping you grow your cleaning business. It's usually going to be a group of between 5 and 12 people. We're going to try to limit it to really 12 if at all possible. And for each group, we're going to have several different groups meeting at different times. And basically, we're going to meet and hash out all of these things, from systems to marketing to how to talk to clients on the phone if that's what needs to happen, to really helping you systemize and grow marketing-wise and even management-wise your cleaning company. When you can tap into the experience of an entire mastermind group, that's when you can start to see real growth. And so right now, we're doing small group masterminds inside of my ad coaching club. There's nothing additional. All you need to do is be a member of the coaching club. The link is below here. And for the low price of admission for the coaching club dues, you can be part of these masterminds. Literally, I don't know of any other mastermind that is easier to join and cheaper to join than what we have going on right now. Myself, I have paid over $1,000 per month to be members of some masterminds. Most masterminds end up costing $400, $500, $600 a month, because it's a lot to first you have to have somebody who's well versed in running the mastermind, and then it's a lot to put the mastermind together. So right now, just so that we can end the year into a big bang, I'm offering this for free to my coaching club members. I want to see some positive results, and I want to see some massive growth for some of you. Now, if you're already part of the coaching club, or if you're about to join with the link below this video, you're going to be looking at the membership site here. Of course, we've got all sorts of other materials to browse through, postcards, email newsletters. We have software to send text messages and emails already set to go, doorknob hangers, training for Google Ads, SEO, all sorts of things. But for the mastermind group, you're going to either click on this link right here in the menu, or in the right sidebar, you should see a link right here that says join the mastermind group. It's just a really quick questionnaire to fill out. Let us know the times that you would like to meet, and then we will be back to you probably within a week and let you know what mastermind group you're going to be a part of. There really is no better, faster way to grow a mastermind. Ask Napoleon Hill, ask Dan Kennedy, ask all sorts of other marketing and business people. They're all part of masterminds. If you want to grow, this is the best way to do it. I'm giving you the opportunity right now that you might not get again. Seriously consider joining if you really, really want to grow your business. I'd love to see you as part of one of our mastermind groups.